Before we start on this second example, this type of question could be on either a calculator paper or a non-calculator paper. However, if it's on a non-calculator paper, the numbers will be easier to deal with. The mass of 36 centimeters cubed of copper is 324 grams. We want to find the mass of 22 centimeters cubed of copper. So we know that 36 centimeters cubed is equivalent to 324 grams. It's easy to find 1 centimeter cubed. Just divide both sides by 36. So 1 centimeter cubed would be 324 divided by 36 grams. We want 22 centimeters cubed. 22 centimeters cubed is going to be 22 times 324 over 36 grams. So 22 centimeters cubed will be equivalent to, and calculating the right-hand side, gives me 198 grams. Of course, there is no need to use a ratio to do this, although the way we calculate is exactly the same. We could just say 36 centimeters cubed is equivalent to 324 grams. But from this point, the calculation is exactly the same. We divide both sides by 36 to find the mass of 1 centimeter cubed of copper. And then, since we want 22 centimeters cubed, we multiply both sides by 22. Calculating gives us the same answer, 198 grams.